In the last video, we discussed how we could rewrite repeated multiplication in a shorter way using exponents. The base is the number we're multiplying repeatedly, which is 2 in our example. And the exponent, or power, tells us the amount the base appears as a factor. And since our base is 2, and we have 3 factors of 2, that tells us our exponent, or power, is 3. And the way we say this exponential expression is 2 to the third. And now that we reviewed this example, I want you to try these two problems. And I want you to rewrite these repeated multiplication problems using exponents. So pause the video, try these problems, and come back to see if you did the work correctly. Let's rewrite the following using exponents. And let's return to the example where we are multiplying 5 3's together. So we have 5 3's. To rewrite this product using exponents, we need to identify 2 pieces of information. And these 2 pieces of information will be the parts of our exponential expression. The first part is the base. And the base is the number that we are multiplying repeatedly. Since we're multiplying 3 repeatedly, our base will be 3. The second piece is the exponent, or oftentimes we like to call it the power. And the exponent, or power, tells us the amount of 3's that appear in our product. And since we have 5 3's that appear in our product, our exponent, or also called the power, will be 5. So now we have all the information we need, so let's convert this product as an exponential expression. So we first write down our base, which is 3. So I'm going to write the 3 a little bit bigger here. And then the exponent, or power, goes in the upper right hand corner of our base. So since our exponent is 5, I'm going to write 5 right up here. So there you have it. We have rewritten repeated multiplication using exponents. And let's go over the different ways we could say this exponential expression. The first way that many people use, and probably is the most common, is they say 3 to the 5th. So first, they say the base, which is 3, and then they say the exponent, which is 5. Another common way, which is a longer way of saying this first way, is they say 3 to the 5th power. And the power is just to emphasize that the 5 is the exponent. And then another way people say this is since the 5 is in the upper right corner of the base, we like to say that 3 is being raised to the 5th power. To the 5th power. Either one of these ways are fine, but we're going to use 3 to the 5th more often. Let's rewrite this second example where we're multiplying 4 5's together. So here we have 4 5's. And just like our last example, we need to identify the 2 pieces of information, or the 2 parts of our exponential expression. So first we identify the base, which is the number we're multiplying repeatedly. And since we're multiplying 5 repeatedly, our base is 5. The second piece of information is the exponent, or power. And we said the exponent, or power, tells us the amount of 5's that appear in our product. And since we have 4 5's that appear in our product, our power, or exponent, will be 4. So the way we write this is we first write the 5, which is our base, and then we place the 4, which is our exponent, or power, in the upper right corner of our base. So we have 5 and the 4. And the way we say this is we like to say The first way is 5 to the fourth. The second way we could also say this is 5 to the fourth power. To the fourth power. And the third way we could say this is 5 raised to the fourth power. Either one of these ways are fine. So there we have it. We have rewritten repeated multiplication using exponents. And we have a few different ways we discuss on how we could say the exponential expression. In our next video, we're going to focus on calculating the value of exponential expressions. We're first going to rewrite these exponential expressions as repeated multiplication problems, and then we're going to find the value of the exponential expressions by calculating these products. So I'll see you in the next video.